Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. I'm there today, guys. Back by the Dutty money Riddim, aka Go Club Riddim. We're there with fully bad on the Riddim. With a song called Bounce Up. It's not a music video, it's a song. Let me notice. And I'm going to say this now and see how much people actually pick it up too. When the artists them are war, in a way they will say fully bad and Marco go at it. And you have every content creator up on stage, whether react on YouTube, whether reactioners like myself or vloggers or bloggers or whatever. Everybody talk about that. When the artists them drop normal song, I'm like fully bad now, I go drop some normal song and most people now go look. But me they all look. You know why? Because fully bad and fully bad deserve him run. So we're there right now. I react to the G and it's not a Clash song. You see me? It's not all about the Clash. Yes, the Clash nice and thing over here, so same way, but we have to give the G them Jew. So fully bad respect you now. So let's jump in the one and hear what I go on. I'm gonna concentrate on hear the bad guy that bad up them lyrics. So let's go.
You're Russian. Yo, me love your bad girl, let me fuck.
Love them too, you know.
Miss clean and tight, take a seat and ride. Love when you unleash a demon side.
It's clean and tight, take a seat and ride. Me love when you unleash demon ride. We are breakdown now, we're breaking down.
Miss clean and tight, take a seat and ride. Love when you unleash a demon side. Your pussy fat, your jaws lean one side, and you bring one vibe.
Now no time for take off no jaws, lean in one side. Now no time for take off no jaws, baby, lean in one side. We still are going. Yeah, we are catching door and going.
Demon side, your pussy fat, your jaws lean one side, and you bring one vibe. Make your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You
Buckler. Hola, I salute. You're the G going, brother.
Your pussy fat, your jaws lean one side.
You're the G going.
One vibe.
Watch out.
Make your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut.
Make your body dance. Make your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up a pussy like rough cut. You know what rough cut is? The infamous rough cut man. The Jummy. Big up Jummy. Jummy. A year time I come up here now. Sting a year time and now if you come shy. I saw the comparison there. Jummy a beat up the jump from rough cut. And the G a deal with the girl pussy wicked.
Make your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You want set so. You want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Fat, yeah. Pop one pill in a she rum cup. Down in your throat like pee pluck. Down in your hole like pee pluck. You fuck gunman. You love gun butt. Hold on. Bend over.
You love gun. You fuck gunman. You love gun butt. You know say bad man I got body up in a girl. Say for that you love. With your feet, you know.
Pop one pill in a she rum cup. Down in your throat like pee pluck. Down in your hole like pee pluck. You fuck gunman, you love gun butt. Hold on, bend over, touch your toe now. Mama go fast, hold on, they slow down. Take time. You're better than the girl.
Take time. Slow down. Take time.
Like
instruction. Instruction.
Hold
on, Mr. Barry, hold on.
Your throat like pee pluck till it clump up. Fat, yeah. You want set so, you want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up.
Clump up. Pussy fat till it clump up.
Your pussy fat, your jaws lean one side, and you bring one vibe. Make your body bounce up. You want dance fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You want set so. You want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Fat, yeah. Pop one pill in a she rum cup. Down in your throat like pee pluck. Down in
your throat like pee clock.
Fat, yeah. Pop one pill in a she rum cup. Down in your throat like pee pluck. Down in your hole like pee pluck. You fuck gunman, you love gun butt. Hold on, bend over, touch your toe now. Mama go fast, hold on, they slow down.
Bend over, touch toe, give me 630, but I'm not Renee. Bend over, touch toe, baby. Give me 630, but you're not Renee.
But hold on, bend over, touch your toe now. Mama go fast, hold on, they slow down. Take time. You're better than the girl them in a porn up. Open your mouth, make me come by your board tongue.
The girl them in a porn up boring. The them in a Pornhub boring, you're better than them. Don't ask me how I know about Pornhub. Yeah, don't ask me how I know about Pornhub. The girl in a Pornhub boring, you're better than them by far.
Slow down, take time. You're better than the girl in a Pornhub. Open your mouth, make my come by your board tongue underneath your clean skin out. You know carry big old galang while on the body post when you pillow. Pose with it like you a snap a video. I never grave or your pussy get dig out.
I no grave. I never grave, mama. I never grave. We had grave go 6'6". No. Your pussy get dig out. Dig out.
Pose with it like you a snap a video. I never grave or your pussy get dig out.
Dig out.
You want duns fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut.
Yo, fully bad no bad only pan gun lyrics, you know. The bad boss bad all round. Him bad all round, so I must forget him flowers. Big up myself fully, I put in the work, my G. I'm a day I forget the strength, my fam.
You want set so, you want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Yeah, pop one pill in a she rum cup. Dung in a your throat like pee pluck. Dung in a your hole like pee pluck. You fuck gunman, you love gun bud. Big up every go. Big up every bad slut. Make you enough money from me get me cock suck.
Once you run it throat and run it pum, you get money. You will get the money. Yeah. Yeah.
Big up every go. Big up every bad slut. Make you enough money from me get me cock suck. Me give you more, me no name Valdo. Oh, you bad so. You no carry bad luck. Gunman in your hole. You find your match. You like the cock design for bad. I'm cocky down short like China flat on me a bus in a
Wait.
Oh, you bad so. You no carry bad luck. Gunman in your
Remember say some of them girls carry bad luck, you know. You have some girl no matter yo, two things happen to man with them fuck. You have some girl, every man with them fuck, either them end up a prison or them dead. Bad luck, but you all bad luck. You all bad luck, you all one rebuke in the name of hallelujah. Can I get an amen? Amen.
Big up every bad slut. Me give you enough money from me get me cock suck. Me give you more, me no name Valdo. Oh, you bad so. You no carry bad luck. Gunman in your hole. You find your match. You like the cock design for bad. I'm cocky down short like China plat on me a bussin'.
Cocky down short like China plat. You know when call China plat China bump. Cocky down short like China bump. Long plat.
Match you like the cock design for bad. I'm cocky down short like China plat on me a bussin' on your face. Your eyes for laugh. Make your body bounce up. You want duns fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You want set so. You want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Yeah. Pop one pill in a she rum cup. Dung in your throat like pee pluck. Dung in your hole like pee pluck. You fuck gunman, you love gun bud. Miss clean and tight, take a seat and ride. Love when you unleash your demon side. Your pussy fat, your jaws lean one side. And you bring more vibe. And bad bitch, broke it off. Take it out of your wall, suck it off. Every day more that fuck you must see hobby ya. Shit.
Every day me that fuck you, baby. Hey, oh, baby. If I want me again, come here, fuck you now. Every day I'm living in your wall. 9 months crab. In your hole. In the.
Take it out of your wall, suck it off. Every day more that fuck you must see hobby ya. Shit. Just bubble like soda bath. Make your body bounce up. You want duns fuck. You want me beat up your pussy like rough cut. You want set so. You want done so. Me bad bitch your pussy fat till it clump up. Yeah. Pop one pill in a she rum cup. Dung in your throat like pee pluck. Dung in your hole like pee pluck. You fuck gunman. You love gun bud.
Whoa! Bumbucklad. Fully bad at them. Blood clad them know about this. I want to them fully. Huh? Bumbucklad. The G for get him flowers, man. The G for get him flowers on them flowers. Joe. What? The G bad. Only when warrior go on and I go bumbucklad. See the man? No. Fully bad. With there, my G. Fully bad. Remember, say we. Alright, left that alone. Erskine, man. Fully bad. Big up a bumbucklad, 7G. You see me? Was the song authorized? I don't know, and I don't give a fuck if it was. Or it wasn't. The song bad. Fully bad. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, my bro. You put in the work, dog. And like me say with there, bro. You, bro. A year time, bro. 2024. A year time, fam. A year time, bro. So just go on, do it, bro. You see me? Go on, do it and put in the work, dog. Your fan base get bigger. So let's see who are the true ones and where I got dead with you, bro. You see me? And go through go through the thick and the thin and go through the storm with it. You see it? Yeah, my fam. We're there for you still. You see it? But anyway, this is I'm going to leave still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I will see you, my peeps. I will see you in the next one. Fully bad. Big up.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.